apple a day will keep doctors away. So here we go. We're going to have baked apple, and it's going to be such a simple recipe as usual. That's my promise. No gluten, no dairy, just deliciousness with fruit. Great dessert, great snack, and let's bake it. Do you want to do it with me? In the market, they call it the cooking apple, but actually it is Bramley apple. It is a little bit acidic, and I'm going to use a mixture of Mascavado sugar and cinnamon, and I'll add beautiful port wine. And I'm washing the apples with water and vinegar, and I will make sure that the apples will have the wax removed. I washed with warm water, and I'll scrub a little. It is so delicious. It is a little bit acid. Depends on the apple, but you can choose whatever apple you want. Oh my goodness. Wonderful. Oh, beautiful Gabrielians, thank you so much for being here, for watching until the end. And don't forget to subscribe, to hit the bell, and to like and comment. See you very soon.